So today we've come to this X5, and what's happened with the X5 is the steering lock has got problems with it, and I'm not sure. The lady says that she when she had the key, so what's happened now is that the key's now lost. So we've got the car open. So in order to get the steering lock off, the steering wheel airbag has to come off. So this is a problem with the actual ignition. So we've got a new switch for it, and we're going to have to open these shear offs. We'll just use a cold chisel or a chisel, and that's the switch right there that we're going to be replacing. Okay, now we're finally ready. We've got all the electrical stuff removed from the actual steering lock itself. So now there's the switch that we're going to be replacing, and this is the replacement part here. So there's two different types. This is the correct one. So now all we need to do is actually get the steering lock itself off. We'll get in. The ignition columns now, the steering lock is now taken off, and we've just removed it. And what's happening is why the key, so we made a key for it, but what's happening is that this piece right here, they normally break, but this one's not broken. But what's happening is that when it turns, it's stopping. You can see right there, I'm just using a screwdriver, and it's stopping the actual barrel from turning. Okay, so the steering is back on now. Okay, so we've just cleared all the faults, and there's only one fault now, and we'll just start it with the ignition. So now this starts perfectly as it should. Car's running. We'll just try it one more time. There we go. So if you have an ignition problem where you need the switch actually replaced, so this is the switch where it's not starting, or you've got to press in on the key to actually turn it. There's a shaft there that's broken, or like this one had a steering lock actual issue. You can give us a call if you're in Brisbane, 0413 120 444. Thanks for watching.